this classic shortbread, I'm starting with some room temperature butter. To that I'm going to add some caster sugar. And we're just going to stir them together. We're not going to worry about making them light and creamy, just well mixed. I've got a mixture of plain flour and rice flour, and the rice flour gives it a really lovely texture. And just use the back of your spoon to bring the mixture together. And for the full recipe, just click on the link. Now the butter and flours are quite well mixed. I'm going to get my hands in now and just bring it together. We've got a well combined mixture. I've got a non-stick square tin here. Tip it in, and then just using a spoon, pat it down quite firmly. Really press it into the corners so you get a nice even surface. And if your spoon starts to get sticky, just sprinkle the surface with a little bit of flour just to help smooth it over. You can make whatever shape of shortbread you like, but I'm going for nice thin bars. So I'm cutting straight across the centre and then downwards, and I'm aiming for about 18 bars. And then with a fork, just prick each one twice. Pop the tin into the freezer until the shortbread firms up, and then bake for about 45 minutes until pale golden. Sprinkle with a little more sugar and then leave to cool in the tin before serving. And for more delicious recipes, don't forget to click to subscribe.